Hi friends, welcome to Tech Tutorials in Telugu by Teja. In this channel, we are going to learn about Linux, Windows, VMware and cloud computing platforms. Please do support by subscribing. Now, let's get into today's topic.
Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn how to enable and start SSH on Kali Linux. See, in Kali Linux, by default SSH is not enabled on Kali Linux. To enable it, we are going to use OpenSSH server package. See, this provides tools to enable the SSH on Kali Linux, friends. Firstly, to go into the lab, we are going to log into our virtual machine. See, this is my VM where I have configured the Kali Linux on my VMware workstation. I'm going to log into the VM by using the credentials. See friends, firstly what we're going to do is just type the command what I'm going to type over here. I'm going to type sudo apt update. Okay, this asks for the root password. I'm going to enter the password over here. So it automatically fetches the what all the updated repository packages are there. All the dependencies will be auto downloaded over here. You can see it is automatically fetching the updates. Okay. Simply, if someone asks why we are running this one, we can say out that it will find out the latest versions of the packages and also dependencies. Okay. And also what it does exactly, it lists the updates of the installed software as well. Okay. Install software packages we can call it. Okay. Still fetching. Let's wait. Yeah. See, all the details information has been fetched over here. You can see 1678 packages can be upgraded. Okay. This is the info we had right now at the moment. So we are not going to run this. We just fetch the details. After that, we need to install the OpenSSH server, friends. If you go to the steps we have mentioned over here, install the OpenSSH, right? So for that, what we are going to run, we're going to type sudo again, sudo space apt. Here, if you type install space, if you give the OpenSSH, now see these many commands are there. Open SSH. Okay, still these many are there. Yeah, open SSH hyphen server. So we are going to install this package. Click enter. Do you want to continue? Yes. Okay, so you can see the command has been executed successfully. Right now, what we are going to do, we have already in the last command, we just installed the package. Right now, what we are going to do is we are going to start the SSH service. For that, what we need to do, we have to type again sudo space systemctl. When you click tab now, it will just show up all the options. Okay, what all the commands available with that relevancy. Okay, systemctl space start space ssh and hit enter. Okay, right now the service has been started. What is the third step? We are just put it over here. Enable the SSH. Okay, to enable the SSH to start on boot now, right now we are going to start it manually. So from next time onwards, whenever the reboot occurs, the server get rebooted, right? If you want the service to be started automatically, what is the command? Sudo space systemctl space enable. Earlier we have just what we use start, right now we are going to use the enable, right? Enable SSH. Okay, you can see the enable created the system link. So once this command got executed successfully, we can verify whether the SSH service is running or not. The next command would be we need to verify the SSH is running or not. Okay, for that what we need to do is we need to just sudo space systemctl status SSH. We are going to check the service status of the SSH service, right? You can see right now the service status is active and running. Okay, from when it is running, since 1 minute 35 seconds ago the service has been started. Okay, once this all these changes has been made na, we can go ahead at connecting it. And one more thing over here you can know is see, you can configure the SSH. See, by default, SSH will be having a port number. It works on the port 22, right? For the communication purpose. You can make the configuration changes of this. If you want to make any configuration changes, na, by default, the SSH uses port 22 for communication. If you want to make some changes to the, port number and all those tips, you can change that as well, but it's a optional thing. Right now, we are going to test it. So for testing purpose, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on my laptop. Let me cross check what is the IP address of the server. For that, what we'll do, ifconfig. See, the IP address is 192.168.29.240. So I'm going to access this. The port 22 SSH. Okay, click control. Now you can see it will ask for the prompt, for the security prompt. Here we are going to accept this. Here I'm going to log in with user Kali and the password for the user you can see here right now. Okay, hostname, you can find the IP as well. See, you can find this is the IP we are connected right now. This is how we can connect to the Kali Linux by using the putty sessions, or through SSH we can you can access the server. See, what is the main advantage of accessing like this? We can directly go into the server and open terminal on this stuff. But while practice purpose or while executing the scripts, right? If you access the server through SSH, like, it will be easy for you. No need to go to the server console and access this directly. You can just go to putty and access this server with the credentials and practice yourself, because you need to be make habituated, not in the GUI mode. You should practice in the in a command terminal mode only. You have to practice down. Going further, it will be easy for you. That is the reason. Yeah, this is all about the video today, friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.